Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today.
Hey everyone, looking at GoPro on the daily, weekly, and shorter term time frame. So the bears are in absolute control. We've gone from 17.13 and then 7 days later we're at 13.60. So huge drop to the downside. Bear volume has been pretty consistent at this point, and we've been closing near the lows of the days, indicating weakness. The bounce attempt on Thursday, lots of profit taking, long upper wick after filling the gap. Higher open today, couldn't break that high from Thursday. And then a lower low was hit. So we've been setting lower highs and lower lows every single day that this dump has occurred, and that's now 7 days in a row. So we'll look for that pattern to change, for an oversold bounce to occur, but at this point, no sign of that in sight. We've got 1350 support, 1309, the 100-day moving average, and then this key level 1258 to maintain the higher low pattern on the daily chart. That 1258 needs to hold. Looking at the weekly time frame, rejecting from the upper Bollinger Band is no surprise. We've been rejecting from it for 2 months, and now the dump on the pullback. We had a bearish reversal doji. It was confirmed, and now we're seeing that follow through, losing the 10-week support, losing the 50-week support, and we're just left with the middle Bollinger Band 1318. Looks like that level might be tested next week, and there's that 1258 that the bulls must hold to maintain this higher low pattern. We could bounce from this level and still hold that higher low and still be in an uptrend. A break of 1258 is a big red flag for the short-term, mid-term, long-term bulls. So let's look at GoPro on the hourly for the week, and it was very clear which direction to be looking. Look at this 20-period moving average resistance. At no point did it look like that level was going to become support. We didn't even test it the first 3 days of the week. Then on Thursday, we tested it and rejected from it twice. We started above it today with a higher open, but we could not hold it. Bear volume very clear, big bear candlesticks. Look at the closes near the low. Not even a green candlestick today until after 2 p.m. Eastern. So after all of this, the RSI on the hourly is not even oversold anymore. We were very oversold down at 14, but these little leveling out periods and little short-term bounces cool off the RSI to the upside. So we are no longer oversold on the hourly, which means further downside could be coming this coming week. The daily RSI is currently at 35. We're not oversold there at all either. So bears still in full control is the bottom line, and we need a bullish reversal candlestick, confirmation, and a break of the lower high and lower low pattern that we've been seeing for the past 7 days in a row. We'll see if that comes next week. There should be a nice little short-term bounce, a little 3 to 5% bounce to be had here. We just need to be very cautious and wait for the appropriate signals, one of which is the 20-period hourly support, or the 20-period moving average becoming support and holding that support on any back tests. So we'll check back in next week. I appreciate you watching. Thank you for all the likes and the shares. They make a difference. Hope you have a great weekend.